Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more must-see long to short hair transformations. So here we have a beautiful Pixie hair change. I love how much texture that this particular cut has. Very nice. And she also got some color with this one as well. Beautiful ash blonde hue. Now, as always, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we see someone with gorgeous copper colored hair. Looks like the stylist is mixing in some bangs. Oh, I love the way that this color looks. You guys already know that I am a huge fan of the copper color trend. I just think it looks so pretty. Gorgeous bob haircuts. And I think that the bangs just accents the look perfectly. Next up, we see someone with long waist length hair. She's got some very thin ends here. The stylist chops off all that hair into a nice chic bob style. Next up, we see someone with long hair yet again. And she switches it up with this layered bob cut. Very cute with the face framing curtain bangs. This really added a nice amount of texture to her hair with the layers. looks like the stylist is doing a cut refresh for this next one. Ooh, doing a pixie. Nice amount of texture going here. Beautiful. Oh, so we saw the look worn straight and curly. Some other variations. Wow, so much versatility. Very cute style. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna leave you to check out this last hairstyle idea.